Hey, it's Kylie with WTI. Lately, I've been spending a lot of time outdoors, and it's just been great to relax with these wide folding director's chairs from Camp Knot. These chairs are really comfortable. The wide seating can hold up to 300 pounds, which means they're also very stable. I've used these chairs on various surfaces, and I've never felt like I'm going to fall over. The chair itself is actually very functional as well. There's a great side table for us to place our food, a spot for me to place my drink, and my phone. There's also a pocket on the opposite side that helps me to keep all my belongings close. These chairs also come with a carrying case. And all in all, each chair is about 15 pounds, and it's really easy to carry around and travel with. These director's chairs are great for use in a variety of locations. Whether you're at the river, camping, or just hanging out in your backyard, you definitely want to have something comfortable to sit on. We just love our wide folding director's chairs from Camp Knot. They are a perfect addition to any outdoor space, whether at your home or on the road. And that's my point of view.